Alright, today the Silent Riders Network, we're going to spotlight this beauty right here. Ooh, this is one of the classics. I'm excited. This is a 1955 Chevy Bel-Air. If you want us to do a feature episode on this stellar vehicle, we need 10,000 shares, 100 new subscribers for this video, and we will do a feature episode and dive into all the custom details of this beauty. I'm excited, man. Y'all got to get cracking. Y'all got to share this. Tell your people to comment, like, subscribe. We need y'all to be. We can't drop it if ain't nobody watching.
If you want to bring some soul to your car life, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join the Silent Riders Network.